In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can completely remove Node.js from Windows laptop or PC. So for it, just go to the Windows search option, and here we are going to search for setting. Here you can settings. Let's go to the setting, and in the setting, we'll go to the apps, then we'll go to the install apps. So here we need to search for Node.js. Here you can see Node.js. So we're going to click on this three dot, then click here uninstall, then click on uninstall. So it will uninstall Node.js from our system. So here you can see Node.js is removed, but there is still some folders left in our system, hidden folders and files. So for it, in order to clean those, we need to go to our folder, and we need to go to our local disk C. So in the local disk C, we need to go to the users folder. So let's go inside users, and here you can see we have one more folder called users. So let's go inside, and here we need to look for app data folder. So here you can see app data folder, but if you do not see this app data folder, then you need to click on view, then click on show, and here you can see hidden items. So you need to have this check. Once you have hidden item check, you see this app data folder. So let's go inside, and in the app data folder, we need to go inside local folder. So here you need to look for a folder called Node.js and NPM. So here you can see NPM's cache and Node.jyp. So we need to delete those two folders from here. So I'll just delete those. Just click here yes if it asks for a permission, cause those file size is quite big. So here you can see it is deleted. So right now let's go back, and this time we'll go to the roaming folder. And in the roaming folder again, we're going to look for the NPM and Node.js folder. So here you can see we only have NPM folder over here. So let's just delete this, and there you can see it is deleted. So once you delete it from here, it means Node.js is completely removed, but you can also still check the program files folder. If there is any Node.js folder over here, you can just delete that as well. So yeah, this way you can completely remove Node.js from your Windows. So I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.